Your iPhone feels like your personal assistant, your private assistant, even your friend. It sits in your pocket, your bag, or on your desk, always ready to help. But here's the truth most people ignore. It's quietly watching, listening, and tracking more than you realize. Every app you open, every search you make, every message you send, some of that information could be shared beyond your device. And it's not just apps. Apple itself collects signals about your location, motion, health activity, and even audio patterns from your phone. Now you might be thinking, that's fine, I don't care. What's the worst that could happen? But here's the problem. These small bits of data, when combined, create a detailed picture of your life. Your routines, your habits, where you go every day, even when you're at home or at work, all of this can be logged, shared, or used to target ads. And the worst part, most people don't even know this is happening. So what exactly happens if you ignore these settings? Your phone keeps collecting data in the background. Some apps track your activity across multiple platforms, share your browsing patterns, and even influence what you see online. Apple's analytics and ad systems collect aggregate data about your behavior, improving products, but also building profiles that are used to target you more effectively. That sounds like a small inconvenience, but over time, it's your personal data being mined without your active consent. You may be wondering why Apple collects all this data. The answer is simple. Data drives Apple's ecosystem. It's used to improve features, enhance services, and yes, personalize ads. But that doesn't mean you have to give away your privacy. You are in control. By knowing exactly which settings to adjust, you can stop most of this tracking. You won't break your phone or lose functionality, you'll just regain control over who sees your data. In this video, I'll show you step by step which hidden iPhone settings to adjust, explain why each one matters, and how to turn them off safely. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over your privacy, and your iPhone will only work for you, not for companies silently tracking your every move. And don't worry if this seems complicated at first. I'll break it down as simply as possible, showing exactly where to tap, what to switch off, and what each setting actually does. By the end, you'll know your iPhone is not watching you anymore. So make sure to watch all the way to the end, because only after completing these steps will you be truly secure and in control in 2026. Even if you've checked your settings before, Apple has made changes in iOS 26 that may have re-enabled tracking features without you realizing. Let's dive in and take back control of your privacy. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Before we touch location or ads, we need to stop something more basic. Apps talking to each other about you. Tap Tracking. You'll see a switch that says, Allow apps to request to track. What this really means is, apps can follow your activity across other apps and websites and share that behavior with third parties. This includes what you tap, what you search, and how long you stay inside apps. If this is turned on, turn it off. Then check the list below. If any apps already have permission, disable them manually. This single setting alone blocks a huge amount of background tracking. But Apple still collects system-level data, so we're not done. Stay inside Privacy and Security and scroll down. Tap Analytics and Improvements. Apple describes this as helping improve products. In reality, this menu controls how much usage behavior your phone sends back. At the top, turn off. Share iPhone Analytics. Share iCloud Analytics, and share Watch Analytics, if applicable. Now scroll. You'll see features that collect motion data, audio patterns, health and activity signals, environmental context. For example, hand washing detection uses motion and audio sensors. Health improvement shares workout and movement behavior. AR location accuracy maps your surroundings. You don't lose core iPhone functionality by turning these off. Turn everything off in this section. Your phone still works the same, just quieter. Go back one screen. Tap Apple Advertising. This controls whether Apple builds an advertising profile based on how you use your device. By default, this is enabled. Turn off. Personalized ads. Any ad measurement options. This doesn't remove ads entirely. It removes behavior-based targeting. In simple terms, ads stop following your usage patterns. Now let's deal with the most sensitive data of all, location. Tap Location Services at the top. First, scan the app list. Any app that doesn't absolutely need location access? Set it to never or while using. But the real issue isn't apps. Scroll all the way down. Tap System Services. This is where iOS tracks location patterns, routing behavior, environment data. You'll see useful things like emergency calls or Find My iPhone. Keep those. But many others don't need constant location access. Turn off services that don't directly benefit you. Now scroll to the bottom. Tap Significant Locations. Authenticate. This feature stores places you frequently visit, routes you regularly take, time patterns, home, work, gym, favorite locations. Turn this off. Then tap Clear History. This stops long-term location profiling. Still inside System Services, check Product Improvement. Turn off. Improve location accuracy. Maps improvements. Routing analytics. These send passive location and movement data. Once disabled, your phone still navigates and functions normally, just without constant reporting. Congratulations! By following all the steps in this video, you've taken major control over your iPhone's privacy. You didn't make your device less powerful, you simply removed the hidden surveillance layer that most people never even notice. Your phone will still do everything you need it to do, but now it's working for you, not quietly collecting data in the background. Let's quickly recap the main areas we covered. App tracking transparency. You've stopped apps from tracking your behavior across multiple apps and websites. No more unnecessary data sharing without your consent. Analytics and improvements. You've disabled features that were sending your motion, health, and usage data to Apple. Your routines, workouts, and even hand-washing habits are now private. Apple Ads. Personalized ad tracking has been turned off, meaning the patterns of your usage won't be sold for marketing purposes. Location services and system services. You've checked which apps can see your location and disabled unnecessary tracking. Hidden system tracking like significant locations is now cleared and turned off. By doing all of this, you've effectively taken back control of your digital life. And remember, Apple updates its iOS systems regularly, so some settings might revert, or new tracking features might appear. That's why it's important to review your settings periodically. And now you know exactly where to look. But let's go a step further. There are some extra tips to maximize your privacy. Always check app permissions after installing new apps. Many apps will request tracking or location access by default. Regularly review analytics and improvements whenever iOS updates are installed. Apple sometimes enables new features with updates. Consider using a VPN for network traffic privacy, and disable unnecessary Wi-Fi or Bluetooth scanning features when not in use. Keep your iOS 26 device updated. Security patches fix vulnerabilities that could allow tracking in unexpected ways. Following these extra steps ensures that not only is your iPhone no longer spying on you, but it's also as secure as possible in 2026. You've completed a full privacy reset, and now your personal data belongs only to you. Remember, privacy isn't just about settings. It's about awareness and control. You've done both today. And because you've watched this video all the way through, you now have the knowledge to keep yourself protected in the years to come. If this guide helped you reclaim your privacy, consider subscribing to the channel. More simple and practical guides like this are coming, showing you how to get the most out of your iPhone while staying safe in 2026 and beyond. Finally, share this video with friends or family who might not realize how much their iPhone is tracking them. Privacy is only powerful when it's understood and applied. And now, thanks to these steps, you're fully in control. Enjoy your iPhone with peace of mind.